Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking to elevate your Linux desktop's aesthetics and add some sleek visual flair, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to install and configure picom to get gorgeous, custom window animations and fading effects. It's incredibly lightweight and takes just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to disable our system's default display compositor to prevent any conflicts with the new one we're about to install. Open up your Start menu, search for Window Manager Tweaks, and head over to the Compositor tab. From here, simply uncheck Enable Display Compositing. With the old compositor out of the way, let's open up the terminal. We're going to install picom by typing sudo ap install picom. Hit Enter, type in your password, and let the installation complete. Next, we need to create a dedicated folder to store picom's configuration settings. To do that, type mkdir-p /.config/picom and press Enter. This ensures our setup stays clean and organized. Now, let's create and open the configuration file using the nano text editor. Type nano-config/picom/pcom.conf and hit Enter. Once you're inside this blank file, go ahead and copy the custom configuration script I've provided down in the video description and paste it right here. After pasting, press Ctrl+O to save and Ctrl+X to exit. Let's take it for a test drive. Run a quick demo by typing picom-backend glx-config-tilde/.config/pcom/pcom.conf. Immediately, you'll notice a beautiful difference. Your desktop now features incredibly smooth animations, like elegant fading effects when opening, closing, or hovering over floating windows. The animations look great, but we want to make sure they stay active even after we reboot the system. To automate this, open your Start menu, search for Session and Startup, and select the first option. Switch over to the Application Auto Start tab and click Add. For the name, let's put Picom Compositor. For the description, type Window Animations. Finally, paste the exact same command we just used for the demo into the command field. Hit OK to confirm, close the window, and you are officially good to go. Your Linux system is now looking sharper and more modern than ever. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give that like button a click and subscribe to the channel for more Linux customization tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.